Hey guys, what's up? It's Lakh and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing this St. Patrick's Day inspired look. So it's a total like green, it's just green and glitter, and it's just really St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, I really love how it came out. It's inspired by this shirt actually. So this is my mom's shirt, but let me show you guys. She like got this recently, but yeah, so it has like the 4-leaf clover and then the gold in it. So I was like, why don't I put gold in my green eyeshadow look? So that's what I did. I have a little bit of gold on top, and yeah, I just think it came out so beautifully. So if you're doing something on St. Patrick's Day, like you're going out, you're going to a party, whatever, you're doing something, then I think you would be interested in this look because, you know, it's not every day that you get to wear a green eyeshadow look and get to get away with it. So yeah, I think it's really fun and cute. So if you'd like to see how I got this eye look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. We're gonna put some concealer on the eyelids to prime the eyes, and I'm just gonna use this Colourpop concealer. Okay, next I'm just gonna set the concealer, and I'm gonna use this kind of beige shade right here in the Morphe 35B palette. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, and it looks like this. How beautiful is this, right? I just got it recently, but how beautiful. And I think I'm gonna go in with, as a transition shade, I'm gonna go in with this color right there. And we're just gonna pop this into the crease so it can be our little transition shade. Okay, next, going back into the 35B palette, I'm gonna take this green shade right there, and we're just gonna pop this into the crease as well. And I'm gonna keep adding more until I get it to the intensity of green that I want. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my big Morphe M504 blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend through this one time. Okay, and now in the 35B palette, I'm gonna go in with this bottom shade, so it's kind of like a darker green shade, and I'm gonna focus this below the light green shade, so it's gonna be just under the light green shade. And like I did with the other green shade, I'm just gonna keep adding more until it's the intensity that I want. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna go back in with the light green shade we used, and I'm gonna reapply the light green shade on the top so we can see that light green shade again, because with the dark green it kind of got lost in it, so we're just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, now back with my big fluffy blending brush, I'm just gonna blend over everything I have so far so it looks nice and smooth. And now we're gonna cut the crease. Ever since I did my cut crease for the Valentine's Day video, I'm like so into cut creases lately. I think they just look so nice and clean. So I'm just gonna I just took that same concealer, the Colourpop one, and I'm just gonna carve out my lid. Okay, so I carved out my crease. That wasn't too bad at all. It's really not that hard to cut your crease, so definitely give it a shot. So now I'm just gonna set the concealer on my cut crease with that same beige shade. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Masquerade Mini palette by Juvia's Place. And this is what it looks like. Also so beautiful. I got a bunch of palettes from them during their sale and I got such a good deal. But so we're gonna go in with this green shade right here and I'm gonna pop that onto the lid. And I'm just gonna spray my brush with Fix Plus. That is so pretty. Okay, so to deepen up this lid look a little bit, I'm gonna add from the Jaclyn Hill palette this emerald green shimmer shade right here. I'm gonna pop that onto just the center of the lid and let's just see how that looks. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, I really like that because it just added some more, I don't know, give it a little bit more like deepness to the eye look because this, the light green shimmer shade, it was like really light. And so this just gave it a little bit more deepness, which I love. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just gonna go back in with the deeper green matte shade. And I'm just gonna put this a little bit on the outer V of the eye just to give a little more dimension. Okay, and one more time with the big fluffy blending brush and we're just gonna blend everything through. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter and it's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. So this is kind of like a silvery gold kind of glitter and it's really nice because it comes with a really precise brush like this. And I'm actually just gonna focus this glitter right here. So where we put that deep green metallic shade, I'm just gonna put it right above there. And I saw Manny MUA do this in one of his pictures that I thought looked so cute. So yeah, shout out to him. And so yeah, we're just gonna do that too. Okay, we're done with the glitter. I think it looks really cute. It's just like a pop of glitter, you know, real cute. So let me put some eyeliner on now. I'm gonna make a wing and then I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my eyeliner on and my eyelashes on. And yeah, the look is almost completed. I just think wing eyeliner and fake lashes just make everything look so much better. And the lashes I'm wearing are the Morphe lashes and they're in the style Go On and Fake It. So yeah, super pretty. I usually always wear my diamond lashes from Lily Lashes, but these are really pretty as well. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish my face makeup and then I'll be back to finish up the final touches of the eyes. Okay, hey, I'm back with my whole face done. So now we're gonna go back to the eyes. So as usual, I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows and kind of tame them. My eyebrows look like really bad right now, so just like kind of don't even look at them. Okay, so we're gonna focus on the lower lash line now. So I'm gonna take the same light green shade we took from the Morphe palette on the eyes and I'm gonna use that on a tiny blending brush and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take a small flat top brush and I'm gonna go in with that really dark green matte shade right here and we're gonna pack that really close to the lash line to act as an eyeliner. Okay, and now we're gonna take that same small blending brush and blend those two shades together. Now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter that I used on my face and I used the Huda Beauty Gold Sands palette and I'm gonna take this color right here on the upper side and we're gonna pop that into our inner corner and then also highlight the brow bone with that. And now I'm just gonna take some mascara and put that on my lower lashes. And now, final step, I'm just gonna take this Milani Make It Last setting spray and just set my face. Okay guys, I'm back and the look is finished. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. Everything is done. I think it came out really cute. I mean, obviously this look isn't for the faint of heart and it's not like an everyday thing. But I mean, if you're going out for St. Patrick's Day, or you're going to a party, or you know, whatever you're doing, if it's something on St. Patrick's Day, then you might be interested in doing this because it's really fun. And I mean, when else are you really going to do it? So yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this look. I think it was really fun. It's really cute. And I don't want to take it off, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.